color, and learn the ABCs. Kids love this. A fun dot marker activity book for ages 2 to 5. Looking for a fun and educational activity for your child ages 2 to 5? This super fun dot maker activity book lets kids dot, color, and trace as they learn their ABCs. Alphabet recognition is the first step to learning to read, and this workbook makes it fun and engaging. Perfect for home, preschool, or daycare. Get your copy today and watch your child learn through play. Subscribe here. Visit us at www.adventuresofscubajack.com for more fun learning.